Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. My 2013 Triumph Explorer. I'm gonna get rid of those old yellow headlights and replace them with some LEDs. These are the ones I picked up. 9003. So we got some covers in there that we have to get our sausage hands in there. And then once you pull it out, you get access to the light. I just pulled that away. So you're not going to be able to see, but if I move that plug aside, there's two wire clips there, and you push them both in and off the way. Try to get this off the way so you can see I moved this one off the way, and you gotta do the same for the top one. So you can see where the plug is, how it's pulled away, and now I can get the light out. Here we are, out. You got one in right now. It looks like there's lots of room that the cap will go back on. There you have it. The cap does successfully go back on. LED, regular LED. Both headlights are installed, and they were kind of a pain in the butt. Oh yeah, those are nice and bright. That's for sure. So there you have an LED upgrade. You will have some frustration, so be mindful of that. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.